Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract pages from a PDF on a PC in 2026. So if you only need specific pages from a large PDF document, yeah, this guide will help you separate them quickly and easily. First, open a free PDF editor or PDF page extractor tool on your PC or browser. Many free tools support page extraction. Next, upload the PDF file you want to edit. So the tool will load all pages for preview automatically. Now choose the pages you want to extract. You can select single pages or a range of pages. So yeah, click the extract button. The tool will create a new PDF using only the selected pages. Next, download the extracted PDF file to your PC. Save it in an organized folder for easy access later. Finally, open the extracted PDF and check that all pages appear correctly. So make sure no important pages are missing. And that's how to extract pages from a PDF on a PC in 2026. Once you use free PDF tools and organize your files properly, managing large PDFs becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF and productivity tutorials.